What's up, YouTube? This is Projects Pat. This is my BMW 650i 2008. I am replacing the audio system, working on an infinite baffle system here with some other items. And all the wiring guides I saw online were either incomplete or they didn't match what I have here. So I went ahead and traced every one and verified the polarity with this tester here. I'm playing a test tone from YouTube. Right now I have the left front door going. There's a test pulse here. What you're looking for is 3 positives and a negative. That tells you have the correct polarity. Hit the button here. 1. Hold on. It's hard to see here. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, negative. So that tells me I have the correct polarity. Okay. I did it for all of them. See, I have an amp in here. So this is what we have here. The front left door, positive is yellow and green. Negative is brown and yellow. Take 2. Left front door. Positive is yellow and green. Negative is yellow and brown. Right front door. Positive is blue and red. Negative is blue and brown. The rear side right, positive is yellow and looks like black. The negative is yellow and brown. The rear left side, positive is blue and green. Negative is blue and brown. The rear shelves. The right rear shelf, positive is yellow and black. Negative is yellow and brown. Left rear shelf, positive is black and orange. Negative is black and purple. The center channel is black and white and black and brown. The mid bass under the seats. The left mid bass, positive is red and white. Negative is brown and yellow. The right mid bass under the seat. Positive is red and blue. Negative is brown and white. And obviously these are the powers. So there you have it, in case you need that wiring information.